Hi guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Teach Mark PU. For this video, I'm going to show you the answers in your activity sheet number 1, which is about earthquakes, epicenter, and magnitude. So let us now begin. Question number 1. Where is the epicenter located in the illustration? The correct answer is 2. Question number 2. What point on Earth's surface is directly above the focus? The correct answer is epicenter. Question number 3. How can you describe an earthquake focus? The correct answer is location where an earthquake waves begin. Question number 4. Which of the following describes an active fault? The correct answer is expected to generate earthquake. Question number 5. Which point is closest to the epicenter? The correct answer is point B. Question number 6. What scale measures the magnitude or size of an earthquake? The correct answer is Richter scale. Question number 7. Where is the focus located in the illustration? The correct answer is 3. Question number 8. What is referred as a measure of the amount of energy released in an earthquake? The correct answer is magnitude. Question number 9. Which of the following statements refers to the magnitude scale? The correct answer is, it is the quantified value of seismic energy produced during an earthquake. Question number 10. What instrument is used to record the motion of the ground during an earthquake? The correct answer is seismograph. Question number 11. In which of these places will an intense earthquake likely happen? The correct answer is along active fault. Question number 12. What do you call the study of earthquakes and seismic waves that move through and around the earth? The correct answer is seismology. Question number 13. What does PHIVOLCS stand for? The correct answer is Philippine Institute of Volcanology and Seismology. Question number 14. He is an American seismologist and physicist who devised the earthquake magnitude scale. The correct answer is Charles Richter. Question number 15. Which of the following statements is true about the epicenter of an earthquake? The correct answer is the epicenter is the point on the Earth's surface just above the location where movements happen. Question number 16. What factor determines the strength of an earthquake? The depth of its? The correct answer is focus. Question number 17. Which of the following statements differentiates focus from the epicenter? The correct answer is the focus is the point where the rock first breaks, while the epicenter is the point on the surface above the focus. Congratulations if your score is 9 or above. And if your score is 8 or below, it means that you have to watch again my video discussion and look for the correct answers of your missed questions. Thank you for listening.